This is a quick one. So remember in my last video, I was mistaken when I said I posted a Nicole diary haul. I later ended up coming across it in my computer. It was recorded, but I hadn't even edited it yet, so I didn't want to hold this any longer. And quick story too. As I started editing this, there was this, what I thought was background music that I put in. My reaction was, I don't remember doing the music yet, but this is a jam. I gotta figure out which song this is. Turns out I was watching Jeannie while recording this, and this is an easy listening groove her husband created. I love this, Jeannie. So yeah, I was watching you at the time, girl. In fact, looking at the timestamp, I recorded this back in February. So these are Nicole Diary Color Acrylic Powders. You can find them on Amazon. And I like these sets because you get to try 12 colors. And there's a few of these combinations to choose from for around $17. The other one was when I did the Glow Flower, which you won't see that one here because that's the one I took to school. So yeah, this is the second set, and these are glitter shimmer powders. I was having a little fun right here. And I'll do loose swatches real quick so you could see the colors. I specifically chose these sets for the glow and also shimmer. And I even think I'll be getting more soon because I felt they were reasonable. So I did the Glow Flower with the other set. And I do have something in mind for a color out of this one, so be looking for that. And I think I explained before that I stopped purchasing swatch sticks. I've just ran out of room. Now I know it may seem like something minimal, but I really don't have a need for them. What I started doing is taking these swatches and placing them under the jars. Then I'd lift the jars for a quick grab of the swatch whenever I'm planning a set. You can already see the shimmer. And a few others are sparkly fine glitter acrylics. I'm pretty pleased with this choice. There's not a color here that I don't like, so I know this is going to get a lot of use. Plus, sparkly shimmer is my thing. And I want you to know this is not a sponsored video. I purchased these myself, and I'm thinking I'll try other brands from Amazon if they strike my interest. And now that I've said that, the reason why I chose Nicole Diary is because at a time, this brand was pretty choice among those getting started with acrylic. Yeah, so if you weren't aware, Nicole Diary has been out there. I do like how these polymerize. They're only slightly slower than what I'm accustomed to, and I can work with that. This green is so cute to me. So here they are. If you enjoyed this, click the like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss the design I have coming from this. I thank you for being here today. You are what keeps me going, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.